Hello everyone, in this how-to short we're going to quickly address the new intersection constructor tool. It's a tool that allows for a quick and easy intersection. The old method is just to take static mesh sections and piece them together to make a complete section that's whatever custom size you need. For example, this is a wider road here than it is here, and so before, pieces were put together like puzzle pieces to create this length here and this width here. Now with the tool you can just punch in your dimensions and select your materials. So let me demonstrate this really quick. Let's get to an open space here. All right, so the tool is located in RC Roads, and then Intersections Constructor right here. We'll open that. Here's the tool. I'll drag it out. Okay, it's got a default size, and the way that you control the dimensions of this is over here in the Details panel. So I've got the tool selected, and right here I've got Input Dimension 1. It's at 20. Input dimension 2, that's also at 20. So if I change these, for example 10 on this one, shortened up there, and I could do 50 on this one. Now it's very long. The material as well can be changed. So under material selection, material select, right now it's set to 1. So we could go to road type 2. We could go to road type 3. And then if you want, there's even the concrete road surfaces loaded in. So for example, there's one there. Should you want to do something in concrete, these are in there as well. All right, it's just that easy. So what you do is you position it in your intersection, punch in your dimensions, and then if you want, do a mesh paint, and you're good to go. It's just that easy. Thanks for being a user of realistic customizable roads, and I'll see you next time.